Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars?
We're at the airport. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Good one. We're going to Disney World! Yay! First time on a plane. And I'm really excited. See you guys later. Hi guys. It's my first time on a plane, so I'm kind of nervous.
You know what?
Right then.
Us too. Our first time too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, I'm Bill.
Hi, Bianca.
Bianca, this is Scott. Hey, I'm
Hi,
Scott.
nice to meet you.
You want to try it out?
Sure. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Yeah. So that's it. Can you see where we what I control the plane with there?
Yeah.
There's no control right in the front. We have a little desk tray there, but see the joystick on the side?
Oh, I thought I would always think
Yeah. That's how most planes are, but we fly this one with that little joystick on the side there.
That is so awesome.
Yeah, you can give it a try, see what you think.
This?
Yeah, that's it. That's how we fly the plane.
That is so cool.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
So it's your first time in Orlando?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'm very excited.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, it should be fun. We're showing about 4.5 hours or so to get there.
Okay.
So,
Not too bad.
not too bad, yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, a lot of stuff up here.
Family or family or
Family. Yeah, I'm only 14.
Yeah?
Oh,
How many folks are traveling with you?
I got 4 more and my baby cousin.
oh nice.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm jealous. I'm jealous.
Well, you get to fly this plane, so I'm jealous.
So, this is us here, the yellow plane, and we can just kind of follow the green line. That'll show our route all the way across the country there as we go, and all the little names of the waypoints as we progress through. Oh yeah, flip it on plan there. All kinds of stuff in there. So that's how we'll keep track of our course, and the one on the right is the artificial horizon. So the blue part is the sky, the brown part's the ground. And that, so we can see. Oh yeah? Oh, we can always use mechanics on this one, yeah. Yeah. No, thanks for coming up.
Nice to meet you too.
Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Sure.
Good to see you back here.